Okay, so we're gonna start our session today, and as you may have noticed, we have two blocks. We have a listening session and we have a reading session, all right? So we're gonna focus first on listening, okay? And the topic of this lesson is personal information, all right? We're gonna focus on that, on providing personal information such as our names, last names, where we work, where we study, and all that. All that is personal, okay? And first of all, we're gonna listen to a conversation. Sir, what is your name?
Jaime.
Jaime. Can you read the title of the conversation?
Desde el comienzo de David.
No, just the title.
Yeah. Conversation, where are you from?
Right, where are you from? What is the meaning of that? Where are you from?
¿De dónde eres tú?
Right, good. So we're gonna listen to this conversation and then we're gonna practice it with you together, okay? So, to change.
Interchange 3rd Edition by Jack C. Richards. This class audio program contains recordings that correspond to the intro-level student's book, published by Cambridge University Press. This recording is copyrighted. Station. I'm Jennifer Miller.
No, it's not this one. It's another one. Yeah.
Published by Cambridge University Press. This recording is copyrighted. CD1, Unit 1. Please call me back. Page 2, Exercise 1, Conversation. Where are you from? Listen and practice.
Hello, I'm David Garza. I'm a new club member.
Hi, my name is Elizabeth Silva, but please call me Beth.
Okay, where are you from, Beth?
Brazil. How about you?
I'm from Mexico.
Oh, I love Mexico. It's really beautiful. Oh, good. Sun Hee is here.
Who's Sun Hee?
She's my classmate. We're in the same math class.
Where's she from?
South Korea. Let's go and say hello. Sorry, what's your last name again? Garcia?
Actually, it's Garza.
How do you spell that?
Garza.
Okay. Any vocabulary or word that you don't understand from these two dialogues? Sang-hee, it's a person. I think it's a woman. In the party, can you see the picture here? Yes, so it's a person who is in the party. It's a woman. It's a name. Sang-hee is a name. Anything else? Any other word or vocabulary or question?
No sé cómo se dice spill that. Who do you use?
How do you spell that? Spell. Yeah, many people say spill. I don't know why. But the word is spell. Spell, yes. Do you know the meaning of that question? How do you spell that? In Spanish, do you know?
No lo sé.
You don't know? For example, if I say my name, I say, for example, my name is Max, and you ask me, how do you spell that? I say, well, it's M-A-X. So I spelled my name. I say M-A-X.
Yeah.
So what are we asking in Spanish? ¿Qué estamos preguntando en español?
¿Cómo se deletrea?
Right, that is the meaning. spell means deletrear in Spanish. Okay, any other word? Are you okay?
Classmate es como profesor de matemáticas.
No. For example, this is our English class, and
Yeah.
she is your classmate,
Ah, yeah.
and you are her classmate. Both of you are classmates. I am your teacher, and you are classmates.
Ah, yeah.
In Spanish, what is that?
Compañero.
Right, that is the meaning. Classmate, yes. Clase, mate is
Yeah.
like compañero, something you share a room with. Yes. Anything else? No? Any other question? Something that you don't know?
No.
Okay. So now I want you to practice this dialogue between you and him. Okay? One of you is going to be David and the other one is going to be Beth. Okay? So I want you to practice this dialogue. You can start now.
Hello, I am David Garza, a new club member.
Hi, my name is Elizabeth Silva, but please call me Beth.
Okay, where are you from, Beth?
Brazil. What about you?
I'm from Mexico.
Oh, I love Mexico. It is really beautiful. Oh, good. So he is here.
Who is Sanji?
She is my classmate. We were
Where?
in the same math class.
Okay, can you repeat that? Where in the same?
Where?
Uh-huh.
In the same math class.
Okay, good.
Where is she from?
South Korea. Let's go and say hello. Sorry. What's your last name again? Garcia?
Actuality is Garza.
How do you spell that?
Garca.
G-A, can you repeat that?
Garca.
R-Z-A. Good. Excellent. Okay, very good. Now, we're going to move on to this second dialogue here. Can you read the title, please?
The título?
Yes, the title.
What's Seoul? ¿Se pronuncia Seoul así?
Soul.
Soul?
Uh-huh.
Like.
Uh-huh. That is.
Soul like.
Uh-huh. Yes. So, again, we're going to listen to this dialogue and then we're going to practice it. So this is track 3.
Page 3, Exercise 3, Conversation. What's soul like? Part A, listen and practice.
Sunhee, this is David Garza. He's a new club member from Mexico. Nice to meet you, David. I'm Sunhee Park.
Hi. So you're from South Korea?
That's right. I'm from Seoul.
That's cool. What's Seoul like?
It's really nice. It's a very exciting city.
Okay. Do you know what soul means? What soul is? According to the conversation? Seoul. Do you know that place? It's a place from South Korea. Okay. So if you have questions, what is Seoul? So Seoul is a city in South Korea.
¿Una ciudad?
Yes, it is a city. It is a city in South Korea. Yes. Okay, now we're gonna practice this second dialogue. I'm gonna be Sunhee, and you guys are going to be Beth and David again. All right? So can you start, please?
Sunhee, this is David Garza. He is a new club member from Mexico.
Nice to meet you, David. I'm Sun Hee Park.
Hi, so you are from South Korea?
That's right, I'm from Seoul.
That's cool. That's so like.
What's Seoul like?
Oh,
Yeah. Can you repeat that again?
that's cool. That is so like.
What's
What's
Seoul like?
What's so like?
Uh-huh, yes. It's really nice. It's a very exciting city. Okay, good. Any word or vocabulary that you don't understand from that conversation?
Meet.
Meet?
Es como. Bueno, sé qué es lo que intenta decir ahí, pero solo la palabra.
Just the word. For example, meet could mean two things in Spanish. Meet, for example, when we say nice to meet you, what is the meaning of that?
Un gusto conocerte también.
Right. So in Spanish, meet could mean conocer. And there's another meaning of meet. For example, if I say, let's meet at the mall at 2 p.m. What is the meaning of meet there? If I say, let's meet at the mall at 2 p.m.
Es como vamos a ir.
Juntarse. Right. Let's meet. Juntémonos. Let's meet at the mall at 2 p.m. So it could also mean juntarse. But when we use it in that expression, in this conversation, when we say nice to meet you, it means in Spanish, encantado de conocerte, right? Okay. Any other vocabulary from the conversation that you want to know?
Member?
Member? For example, if I say he's a new club member. Member, ¿a qué te suena?
Como recordar, algo así, ¿no?
No. Club member. Do you know the meaning of member?
No lo sé.
You don't know?
No.
For example, member means that I am part of. Let's say, an organization. Or a club. Do you understand a little bit? That I am a member, for example, I am a member of the staff of teachers in this school.
Miembro.
I am a member. Yes, miembro. Right? So that is the meaning of member. That I am part of an organization or a club. Right? For example, you can be a member of, let's say, a volleyball team or a basketball team. I am a member. I am part of that team. Right? So in this part he says he's a new club member from Mexico. So he is part of that club. Any other word?
Siempre tengo como confusiones con right.
When you say, for example, that's right,
O sea, la palabra sola right.
right? It means right, that something is okay.
Ah, yeah.
That something is correct. Anything else? No? Are you okay?
Yes.
Okay. Good. Yeah. Okay, now we're gonna move on to letter B. Can you please read the instructions in letter B?
¿En inglés?
Yes, in English. Yes. Yeah, go to, please.
Listen to the rest of the conversation.
Uh-huh.
What city is David from? What is it like?
Right. So in this part, we're gonna continue listening to the conversation. And here we have to focus, we have to concentrate on these questions. What city is David from? Right? Because, for example, he said that she was from Seoul. So what city is David from? And what is it like? Is it beautiful? Is it exciting? Is it a quiet city? So as you listen, take notes. Okay? This is track number 4.
Page 3, Exercise 3, Part B. Listen to the rest of the conversation. What city is David from? What's it like?
So, David, where are you from?
I'm from Mexico.
Really? What city?
Mexico City.
Wow. What's it like there?
Well, it's a big city and very busy, but I like it a lot.
Do you want to listen a second time?
Yes.
Yes? Second time? Okay.
Page 3, Exercise 3, Part B. Listen to the rest of the conversation. What city is David from? What's it like?
So, David, where are you from?
I'm from Mexico.
Really? What city?
Mexico City.
Wow. What's it like there?
Well, it's a big city and very busy, but I like it a lot.
Okay. Okay, shall we check? Or do you want to listen a third time? Third time?
Sí.
A third time? Okay, one more time.
Page 3, Exercise 3, Part B. Listen to the rest of the conversation. What city is David from? What's it like?
So, David, where are you from?
I'm from Mexico.
Really? What city?
Mexico City.
Wow. What's it like there?
Well, it's a big city and very busy, but I like it a lot.
All right. Shall we check? Now? Okay, you sir. Can you tell me where David is from?
David is from Mexico City, Mexico.
Right. So, David is from Mexico City. And can you tell me what is Mexico City like according to David?
¿Qué es lo que le gusta de la...?
No, what is it like? ¿Cómo es la ciudad? What is it like?
Big.
It's a big city.
Yeah.
Mhm. And what else?
No le entendí lo otro que decía.
You didn't understand?
No sé.
Very...
Dijo algo de very, no sé qué, like, a otra cosa.
Sí, yo quedé igual.
Alright, ¿cómo decimos ocupado en inglés? Do you know? Ocupado o ocupada.
No sé.
You don't know? Can you look it up on your phones? On your phone? The word? Ocupado or ocupada. It's the same in English. So we know that he said very. But very what? Muy qué.
No.
Another word. It starts with B. Busy. Very good. It's you write busy like this, B-U-S-Y, but you pronounce it like this. Busy. Busy with this sound. Can you repeat that? Busy.
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 Yeah, with b. Busy.
Busy.
So he said that it was a big city and it was very, very busy. Very busy. Okay, good.